Hello, thank you very much for taking this course. Hope you are very excited to get started in this course. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you quickly how can you take this course and how can you get most out of this course. So let's get started. So the first section of the course shows you how to set up Unity for Android game development. So if you haven't set up Unity for Android game development, I would recommend you to definitely check out all these videos and set up Unity so that you can start building games for Android. Now, if you skip this section and don't set up Unity for Android games, then you will probably not be able to follow along all the videos that are coming later. Okay? Now, then we will just jump right into building a 3D zigzag game. You need to follow step by step every video so that you can build this game step by step with me, and later on, after everything, you will have a finished game. And for all the games that you're gonna build, we will create all the art assets mostly ourselves. So if you don't want to create your own art assets, then you can just download from the course resources. Otherwise, I would recommend you to learn and create all the art assets as I show you. Because if you learn how to create the art assets, then you don't need to search on the internet from the next time whenever you build your next game. So you can step by step follow along to build this game art assets, and then you can use those art assets to build the games. I'm going to show you step by step how to actually write scripts and how to code for your games. And most of the times when I make a major mistake, I will show you how to recover that mistake, and I will not cut that portion so that you can learn from my mistake and you don't make that mistake. Then we will keep learning about more games and game arts. And in this section, you're gonna learn about version controlling. If you are not interested in version controlling, you can skip this, but I would recommend you to learn this because it is really useful. Once you learn version controlling, it's gonna be one of the most powerful skills you will learn. Then you will learn to monetize your games using ads. So probably everyone is looking for this section because everyone wants to earn money with these games. So here you will learn a lot. Next, you will learn about leaderboards and achievements to make your games social. Then you can give these games to your friends, and your friends can play with all their friends and just try to achieve the top position. So this is how you will learn step by step Unity Android game development. So hope you're excited. So let's get started in this tutorial series and learn how to build Android games from start to publish.